Kaganga Pikeun Urang Sunda. Welcome to our new series Kaganga Pikeun Urang Sunda. In this lesson, we will learn about Aksara Sunda called Kaganga spoken by Sundanese. Aksara Sunda contains of three. Those are Aksara Sora or vowel, Aksara Ngalagena or consonant, and Aksara Rarangken or simply Rarangken, that is, vocalization. The first turn goes to vowel. Aksara Sora or vowel consists of 7 letters. The first vowel is A. It is pronounced A, as in the word alpha. To be compared, the letter A in Aksara Sunda is quite the same as the letter A in Sanskrit. The letter A can be written as shown in the slide. Just follow the red dash for only one stroke. An example of the letter A in Sunda language is Aya, which means present or exist. Next letter is E, as in the word bit. It is always pronounced E and never I. You can write the word E as follow. The word example of E is Imah, meaning house. The third is U. It is pronounced U as in the word put, not U as in the word cute or even A as in the word buy. So it is simply U. You can write the letter as follow to make the word ulin, which means play. The following letter is A with acute. Just to make sure that this vowel is always, once again, always pronounced A, as in the word pet, egg, or bat. This is important because we have 2 other letters which has same translation but different from its pronunciation. We can write the letter A letter as shown in the pictures through 2 strokes of writing. This way allow us to make the word ember, meaning bucket. Next is the letter E, as in the word an, ago, or above. We can still differentiate the sound of the letter between and A until we met the third. Anyway, we can learn how to write the word like this, so that we can make the word as andog, which means egg. Okay, here the problem comes. The letter is pronounced U with pretty much long voice, as in the word turn or maybe hurt. Okay, let's see the different pronunciation of this group letters, just to make sure that we pronounce it correctly. First is A. The second is E. Make sure that you endure your breath for this letter. And the last is U. To make a fluent pronunciation, other video will be prepared in other sessions of reading practice. Back to the letter E. This is how to write it so that we can make the word untep, meaning perch, as in the sentence, the bird perched in the tree. The last letter of Aksara Sora or vowel is O, as in the word old. This is the way how we write the letter O, until finally we can make the word such as obor, which means torch. Okay, let's review the lesson. So, we already have the vowels of Aksara Sunda. Those are A, I, U, E, and O. Due to the limit of the internet, the rest of the lesson has to be saved as a separate video. So please click on Kaganga Pikeun Urang Sunda Lesson 1 Part 2 to continue. Kaganga Pikeun Urang Sunda.